Say, O people of the book, come to terms common between us and you. That we worship none but God, and that we associate nothing with him, and that none of us takes others as lords besides God. And if they turn away, say, bear witness that we have submitted.
أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Gentlemen, let me know the what's it, please read it.
F5.
F5. F stands for format. No, format number 5. Yesterday we talked about format number 4 and 7.
Yes, right.
And I to call it 47.
Yes.
And today we are going to talk about 5 and 8. And in simple word we can say 58. No clear?
Yes.
See, yesterday's lesson was very simple. Just I am quoting few example. Now with the help of you. With the help of you, with your help, with the help of yours, with the help of you. Okay, correct. See, what's that? I am teaching you. I am teaching you these days. I have been teaching you for 3 weeks. Or I have been teaching you since 26 September. We are speaking English over here at Silla these days. We have been speaking English at Silla for 3 weeks now, and we have been speaking English now. We have been speaking English since 26 September. No clear? That was our yesterday's lesson, no? And since there are different ways, no, you can say, you can talk about since Friday, then since 2012, or you can say since since September, since August, and so on, no? That we did in detail, didn't we do? We did it, no? Yes. And only one thing is being postponed, and that is since. After that, who and we do. We will do it no later on.
Yes.
And what is that which is being skipped or postponed? Oh, that is very simple. I am teaching you. I have been teaching you since you joined Sela.
Yes.
The detail, the practice in some other session.
Yes, right.
See, today's format is now 58.
58, right, sir.
It includes 2 formats, format number 5 and 8. See, first is who, then there is we, for, and before that there are 2 choices or 2 options are there, was or were. I was or I were. I was. We were. You
was.
You were.
They were, sir.
They were.
Yes.
Students
Were, sir.
were. Then he
was.
she
was.
it
was.
Mr. Usman
Mr. Usman was.
clear. My friend
My friend was, sir.
my friends
were, sir.
no clear.
Yes, right, sir.
So after that there is V4. Example of V4, please. Playing.
Done, sir. Sir, doing, sir. Doing.
V4. Learning.
Teaching, sir.
Teaching. Acting.
Facing.
Pushing. Hurting. Flashing. Troubling. Catching. Thinking. Fighting. Breaking. Writing. Catching. Reading. Keeping.
Going. Laying.
What's that?
Lay, sir.
Lying.
Sir.
Okay.
Purchasing.
Buying. Okay.
Yes.
See, I saw. I
I
So-
saw.
I saw football.
Not what.
My friend.
Very good. Very good, Usman. You saw your friend.
Yes.
When you saw him, what was he doing?
He was playing cricket.
Very good. You saw your friend, he was playing cricket. Where did you see him?
In the ground.
Very good. So when you saw your friend in the ground, he was playing cricket.
Yes.
This is the format.
Yes, sir.
When I saw, no complete. When I saw my friend in the kitchen, he was cooking food. When I saw my friend in the market, he was purchasing different things.
Yes.
When I saw my friend, in the school, he was learning, he was studying. Clear, please.
When I saw my mother, she was cooking.
She was cooking.
Yes, sir.
Where did you see her?
In kitchen.
In the kitchen.
Yes,
So
sir.
please follow the format.
Yes, sir.
When you saw your mother in the kitchen,
Yes, sir.
she was cooking food.
Yes, sir.
She was washing crockery.
Yes.
She was making arrangements. She was arranging the crockery.
Yes, sir.
Points clear?
Yes.
Please next.
When I saw my teacher in classroom, he was teaching.
He was teaching the students. He was teaching English.
English.
He was checking the notebooks.
Yes.
He was making corrections. He was writing on the notebooks. He was advising his students. Clear?
Yes.
When I saw players in playground,
When you saw some players in the playground,
they were playing cricket.
when you saw some players in the playground,
Yes, sir.
they were playing cricket, no?
And
And some of them were batting.
batting, right, sir.
Some of them, no, one of them was, two of them were batting,
Yes.
And
one of them was bowling.
Right, sir.
No, and 11 of them were fielding.
Yes.
Right, sir.
And those who were fielding, they were dropping the catches, Pakistani fielders. And one of the two who was at the batting end was striking fours, sixes,
Three.
or just playing the dot ball,
Yes.
as in Zamam that you can say Misbah Lak used, to be famous for, but is okay. Clear?
Yes.
So, and please move forward. I want to say something and I stopped it.
When I saw my friend
When you saw your friend where?
in ground,
In the ground.
in gym,
No, think about it. In the gym.
Yes.
When you saw your friend in the gym, what was he doing there?
he was taking.
He was taking exercise. He was building his muscles. He was building or improving or increasing, enhancing his stamina. Jim,
When I saw my uncle in home,
at home.
at home, he was reading newspaper.
He was reading the newspaper.
Yes, right, sir.
Clear? No, just change it now. The concept is clear now?
Yes.
Let me know about the person who saw you doing something on some day, at some occasion. For example, when you saw me
Yes, right, sir.
over there in front of the laptop,
Yes, right, sir.
no? When you saw me, you were over there as you entered.
Yes, right, sir.
As you entered, no,
Yes.
today, you saw me. You know what was I doing? I was surfing the internet.
Yes.
What is clear? I was
Surfing the internet.
surfing the internet. When Mr. Shah Nawaz saw me, I was surfing the internet.
Yes.
When you saw me, I was surfing the internet. Is it true or not?
True, sir.
Is it true? I was surfing the internet.
Is it true?
Please, what happened with you? Did anybody see you when you were busy or doing something?
When my mother entering in my room,
When your mother saw you in your room,
in your room,
when your mother saw you in your room, what were you doing?
I am reading newspaper, English newspaper. I was reading English newspaper.
Very good. When your mother saw you in your room,
Yes, sir.
at that time you were reading the English newspaper.
Yes,
So
sir.
don't forget it, no.
Yes, right, sir.
Very, very important
Yes,
point.
right, sir.
Ji.
When my friend entered the mosque,
Okay,
I was offering the prayer.
very good. When your friend entered the mosque, at that particular time you were offering prayers. But
Yes.
how did you come to know that your friend was there, he entered, no, during your prayer, etc.? He later on, he might have, no, that he might have told you later
Yes.
on, no. See, next please.
When my cousin entered in market, I was purchasing some new things.
It happened.
Yes, sir.
When your friend entered, no, Alhambra Hall,
Yes.
Alhambra, that superstore, etc., no, or the Khan traders,
Yes, right, sir.
so he saw you. When he saw you over there, you were busy in doing something.
Yes.
Right.
And what were those activities? You were purchasing something.
Something right, sir.
You were selecting, no, the required item, or you were searching for, no, the thing you needed.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Please.
When my father entered the room,
Okay.
I was busy. I was writing
Okay.
writing the letter.
You were writing the letter, no,
Yeah.
when your father saw you.
Yes.
And you were there in the room. See, the next it would be no, that for how long? You entered Silla today at 10:25 a.m.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And the class which is there before you, it was over at 10:15 today.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Clear? So as the class left now, the batch that is before you,
Yes.
as that batch left Silla, so just I just you can say started my laptop
Yes, sir.
and I started using it. No, I remember I started surfing the internet.
Yes.
See, I started now surfing the internet. Suppose that the start time it takes generally you can say 1 minute or 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
So you can say the computer was ready at 5:17 or 5:16, 5:17. Sorry, 10:17.
Yes, right, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
You came at 10:25. I started now surfing the internet at 10:17.
Yes.
This point is clear or not? I started surfing the internet at 10:17. You entered the classroom at 10:25.
Right, right, sir.
This point is clear?
Clear.
Sure or not? You entered the classroom at what time?
10:15.
No, that's yesterday. No, talking about.
We start the class 10:25.
Let's have an example. You're getting confused now. See, you entered the class, the class at what time, please? I'll begin from you.
10:20. sir.
You entered the classroom at 10:20. Clear?
Yes.
And the batch before you, it left Silla at 10:15.
Yes.
No clear?
Yes.
As that batch left, I started surfing the internet.
Yes.
It means I started now surfing the internet at the same time. 10? At 10:50.
15.
Yes.
Points clear?
Yes.
You entered Silla at 10:20. When you entered, you saw me busy in doing something.
Yes.
What was I doing?
Surfing internet.
I was surfing the internet.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
When you entered Silla, what was I doing? Please.
You was surfing internet.
You
Once
were-
again.
You were surfing.
Very good. I was surfing the internet.
Yes.
What's clear?
Yes.
Right.
No, the next lesson is now the this form it's now that for how now.
Yes,
See, I started at 15.
yes, sir.
You entered at
20.
20. So how much time had I spent in surfing internet?
5.
5 minutes. Very good. You saw me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
As you entered Silla, you saw me. And at that time I was surfing internet.
Yes.
And I have told you that I started now surfing the internet at 10:15 a.m.
Yes, right, sir.
which means that I had spent 5 minutes now in surfing the internet now before you arrived.
Right.
Clear?
Yes.
So this is now format number 8. See, this is had been.
Yes.
What?
Had.
Had been. Then there is before. I had been surfing the internet for how long?
5 minutes.
For 5 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Points clear?
Yes.
You know, when you entered Silla, I was pressing the keys.
Yes.
I was pressing
The key.
for how long?
5 minutes.
For 5 minutes. Very good, you know. And I can say that I had been, what?
I had-
I had been pressing now the keys for 5 minutes.
For 5 minutes.
I was downloading some data. I was downloading some data from different websites. For how long?
For 5 minutes.
Very good. When you enter now,
Yes.
I had spent 5 minutes now in carrying out that activities.
Yes.
Now complete this sentence. You can talk about me. Ji.
You were downloading the data
Okay.
for 5 minutes.
Okay. No, one mistake is there.
Since
You
लिखे होना जी
you had been
very good.
downloading the data.
Why
Download.
ये क्या होता है? Downloading, uploading and downloading. Okay.
Downloading the data for 5 minutes.
No, my question to you both.
yes, sir.
When you entered Silla today at 10:20, what was I doing?
You were surfing the internet
Okay, for how long?
for 5 minutes.
Complete answer.
You had been surfing the internet for 5 minutes.
Very good. When you entered Silla at 10:20?
Yes.
No, I was surfing the internet now. I had been surfing the internet for 5 minutes now. Please, something else. I was doing so many activities at the
Yes.
same time.
When I entering the Silla,
Entering क्या होता है?
when I entered Silla, I saw.
You saw me, talk to me. I am just directly talking to you.
Yes.
You saw me, okay?
I saw you and I
Forget about I. What was I doing?
he had been
Aryan is, he loves. No, that word he. For mother, he. For sister, he.
he had been
अब भाई मेरे नाल गल करो.
yes, sir.
You
you had been surfing internet
Okay.
for you had been surfing internet since 5 minutes.
It means you didn't understand the previous lesson as well.
yes.
So today my
Yesterday you were also
Yes.
giving the same excuse. No, ये क्या हुआ? अच्छा बाकी बुखार नहीं होता. You had been ठीक है और इस पे आगे बुखार है. कितना सैना बुखार है. बाकी सारे काम हो रहे हैं. इस एक लफ्ज से बुखार है. Usman, please talk to me. When you saw me, what was I doing? What else was I doing?
When I saw you,
Okay.
you were surfing the internet.
Okay, let's talk about something different now. Surfing, downloading, I was not using mouse, I was pressing on
When
the
I
key.
saw you,
Just exchange your positions. Exchange, interchange, please. Sir, you can. No, please, sir. No, sir. You are not. Sir, please. Thank you, sir. You can, if you don't mind. Okay, sir. Sir, please be great. Okay. Please. Ji.
When I saw you,
When you saw me,
you were
I was using laptop.
Yes.
I was using the mouse. I was pressing
The
keys.
keys.
Clear?
yes,
Okay, I was searching for different websites.
Yeah,
I was downloading data.
Yes.
I was editing the video.
Yes, sir.
Points clear?
Yes.
Different things were going on, no?
when I saw you,
Okay.
you was ready.
I was getting ready for
Getting
your
ready.
class, no problem. But you can't say. Please talk to me directly again.
When I saw you,
Okay.
you was
Why?
you were pressing the key.
Okay.
You had been pressing the key for 5 minutes.
Correct. I was preparing your lessons. I had been preparing your lesson for 5 minutes. Okay, it can be. See, gentlemen, how are you? You're feeling okay now?
Yes.
No, you are not clear. You can see what there. No, your image is not there. No. Oh, still you can see.
Yes,
Be great, Mr. Shahnawaz.
yes.
When your mother saw you, you were there in the room and you were reading the newspaper.
Yes.
My question is, for how long? For how long? You were reading the newspaper.
Yes.
For how long?
Since 25 minutes.
For 30 minutes.
Oh, for how long, gentlemen?
For 30 minutes. For 25 minutes.
For 25 minutes. No?
Yes, sir.
When your mother saw you, over there in your room,
Yes, right.
you were reading the newspaper. You had been reading the newspaper for 20 or 25 minutes. No?
Yes.
Please.
When my sister saw me,
Okay.
I was
Okay.
Reading.
Make it simple. Make it simple. You came from your home.
Yes, sir.
yes,
You came from your house.
yes.
See, who was there and which part of the house and home?
My sister in kitchen.
There was your sister in the kitchen.
Yes,
Sure.
yes.
There was your sister in the kitchen.
Yes.
Ji.
My cousin in TV now.
There was your cousin in the TV lounge.
Yes.
Cousin. You were talking about one person.
Yes, right.
Cousin or cousins?
Cousin, sir. One person.
Your cousin was there in the TV lounge.
Yes.
Your sister was there in the kitchen. What was she doing?
She was cooking
She was cooking.
Yes.
She was cooking food.
food.
What was he doing? Your cousin.
He was watching television.
He was watching television.
Yes.
My question to you both: for how long?
For 1 hour.
Complete answer.
When I saw my sister
Okay.
in kitchen,
In the kitchen, she was cooking
she
food.
was cooking. She was cooking food.
Okay.
She had been cooking food for 1 hour.
Very good. When you saw your sister in the kitchen, she was cooking food. She was cooking food. She had been cooking food for 1 hour.
Yes.
How can you say for 1 hour? Because now she told you
She told
that she entered kitchen at 8
8.
and it was 9. Clear?
Yes.
So based on that her statement, you can say that she had been cooking food for 1 hour. She started cooking at 8
8.
and when you saw her,
Yes.
it was 9, which means she had spent 1 hour in cooking.
Yes.
So in other words, we can say she had been cooking for
1
1 hour. No, clear?
Yes.
She was standing over there
Yes.
in front of the stove.
Yes.
She had been standing over there in front of the stove for 1 hour. Clear?
Yes.
Please, your cousin was watching TV for how long?
When I saw my cousin, he was watching TV for 23 minutes.
He was watching TV for 23 minutes.
Yes.
When did you see him?
Uh,
At what time? At what time did you see him, please?
I had
What time did you see him at? What was the time?
time is 9 p.m.
You saw him at 9
p.m.
p.m.
Yes, sir.
and you say that he had been watching TV for 23 minutes. When did he start watching TV? The question is clear?
Yes, sir.
When did he start watching television?
He started watching television 9 a.m. since 9 p.m. since 9 p.m.
He was not.
It means that you're not feeling well.
Yes, sir.
Gentleman, let me know. His cousin was watching TV when he saw him, and when he saw him, it was 9 p.m.
Yes.
And according to his statement, no, his cousin had been watching TV for 23 minutes.
Yes.
And when he saw him, it was 9. My question to you, when did his cousin start watching TV? What time? At what time? When he saw him, it was 9.
Yes, sir.
His cousin was watching TV.
Yes.
His cousin had been watching TV for 23 minutes.
8:37, sir.
Very good. So his cousin had been watching TV since
8:37.
8:37 p.m. MashaAllah. You're student of mathematics?
Yes, sir. I am like.
Wow, that's right. Your cousin started watching TV at 8:37 p.m. according to your statement.
Yes.
Yes, sir. 23 minutes, right?
Clear?
Yes.
He started watching TV at 8:37 p.m.
Right.
You saw him at 9 p.m.
Yes, sir.
which means that he had spent 23 minutes in watching TV.
Yes.
Or in other words, according to our today's format, he had been watching TV for 23 minutes.
Yes.
No clear?
Yes.
Please.
When I saw my nephew,
When you saw your nephew, okay,
he was using computer.
very good. He was using his computer, okay,
He had been using computer for 30 minutes.
for 30 minutes now. Please, let me understand. You saw your cousin. What time did you see him at?
8 a.m.
You saw him at 8 a.m. Points clear?
Yes.
You saw your cousin at your nephew at 8 a.m. Sorry, people. You saw your nephew at 8 a.m.
Yes.
He was using his computer.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
He had spent 30 minutes in that activity.
Yes.
My question when did he start using the computer?
7:30.
He started using his computer at 7:30
Yes.
a.m.
Yes.
So you can say, my question that as I have already asked about it, that how long had he been, the question please,
Yes.
how long had he been using the computer for? Please.
For 30 minutes.
Complete answer. He had been using the computer for 30 minutes. Since when?
7:30.
Complete answer.
He had been
Using the computer.
since 7:30.
No points clear?
Yes.
This is your today's lesson. How simple that is.
Yes.
See, I met my friend. I met my friend in the garden.
Yes, sir.
When I met him, it was 6 p.m. It was. Points clear?
Yes.
I met my friend in the garden at 6 p.m.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What was he doing? He was taking exercise. He was taking
Exercise.
exercise. He started his exercise at 5:45 p.m. He started He started his exercise at 5:45 a.m. My question to you both is that how long had he been taking exercise
15
for?
15
Complete answer.
He had been exercise
He had been taking exercise.
since 15 minutes.
How long had he been taking exercise for?
For 15 minutes.
Complete answer, Usman Ali. He had been taking exercise.
He had been taking exercise for 15 minutes.
No, Clay, this is
Yes.
not mathematics class, no?
Yes, sir.
It seems like that we are doing mathematics.
So
No,
now when I understand what he-
no, sir. So keep sitting, sir. So he had been taking exercise for 15 minutes. Since when had he been taking exercise?
He had been taking exercise since 5:45 minutes.
PM. Since 5:45 PM. See, very simple now. You can make it simple like that. I saw my friend in the garden at 6 PM.
Yes, sir.
He was taking exercise. He had been taking exercise for 15 minutes, which means that
Yes.
he had been taking exercise since 5:45,
minutes.
since 5:45 PM.
PM.
If I change it, I saw my friend in the park at 6 PM.
Yes, sir. Right.
He was taking exercise. He had been taking exercise for 30 minutes. He had been taking exercise for 30 minutes. Now my question to you both, since when?
He had been taking exercise since 5:30.
Very good. No, he had been taking exercise since 5:30.
Yes.
My question to you know that.
Yes, sir.
I saw my friend in the park.
Yes, sir.
He was taking exercise, and when I saw him, it was 6 p.m.
Yes.
He had been taking exercise since 5:25 p.m.
Yes, sir.
He had been taking exercise since 5:25 p.m. My question to you, how long had he been taking exercise for?
He had been taking exercise for 35 minutes.
No points clear? No, your concepts are clear.
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Now, create your own situation as I created. My friend in the park, his activities, I just mentioned the time when I saw him, I met him, I called him,
Yes.
I contacted him, I phoned him,
Yes.
I texted him, I sent a text now, you can say, I received a reply from some, please. Situation of yours, please.
I saw my friend in library
Okay. At what time? This is the main idea.
at
You saw your friend in the library. What time? At what time?
4 p.m.
So don't forget now. You saw your friend in the library at 4 p.m. Please, no. Move forward.
He had been
What was he doing? You went to the library?
yes he had,
You went to the library, you entered the library at 4 p.m. and at that time you saw your friend also
Yes.
present over there, no? My question, what was he doing?
he had been reading.
What was he doing?
He was reading the book.
How simple that
Yes,
is.
sir.
He was reading the books.
He had been reading the books
No, let me know. For how long?
for 30 minutes.
How did you come to know? He told you.
Yes.
When you met him, you
Yes.
greeted him, you
Yes.
asked him about
Yes.
his arrival.
Yes.
He told you that he arrived at
It was 4 p.m.
your friend.
Yes.
He had been reading for 30 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
He had spent 30 minutes now in
Yes.
reading activities
Yes.
over there at the
Yes.
library. So
Yes.
my question, when did he arrive over here?
3:30, sir.
So like that, gentleman, the man of mathematics,
Yes,
no,
sir.
Mr. No. Who's a famous mathematician in history?
You forget it. Him.
Al-Khwarizmi.
Al-Khwarizmi.
So you, Mr. Al-Khwarizmi, please. So, my question now, since when?
He had been reading. He had been reading books since 3:30.
3:30 p.m.
Yes.
So don't get confused, please. Again, for you and for you as well.
Yes.
Mr. Usman Ali entered the library at 4 p.m.
Yes.
Yes.
Mr. Usman Ali entered the library at 4 p.m.
Yes.
He saw his friend over there.
Yes.
Mr. Usman Ali's friend was reading books. Clear? He was reading the books, or he was reading the book, one book, whatever that is now. Or we can make it more simple now that he was reading the newspaper.
Yes.
No, clear? His friend was reading.
Yes.
What was the time when he saw him?
4 a.m.
4 p.m.
4 p.m.
It was 4 p.m.
Yes.
So his friend had spent 30 minutes over there in the same library.
Yes, sir.
My question to you, how long had he been reading the newspaper for?
He had been reading newspaper for 30 minutes.
Since when had he been reading the newspaper?
He had been reading newspaper since 4 p.m. 3:30 p.m.
Thank you.
Yes.
He found his friend busy in reading the newspaper over there in the library at 4 p.m.
Yes.
And his friend had spent 30 minutes
Yes.
in that activity.
Yes, sir.
So he is describing, he says, now keeping this data, this statistic in mind, he says that his friend was reading the newspaper in the library. And he had been reading the newspaper in the library. He had been reading the newspaper in the library for 30 minutes. He had been reading the newspaper in the library since 3:30 p.m.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
Any other example, please? Please, your turn. It's your turn. Situation. Please.
When I entered at home, I saw.
Entered at.
When I
You can say arrived at, it's okay, but
Yes.
entered at, it doesn't make any sense.
Yes.
When I entered my home,
Yes, sir.
okay?
When I entered my home and
Okay.
I saw my cousins.
Okay?
He was talking.
You sing cousins and then you say he. Does it make any sense?
Cousins.
Does it make any sense? No, it doesn't.
No, it doesn't.
Does it make any sense?
No, it
No,
doesn't.
it doesn't.
I saw my cousins. He was talking together.
You are still not following the format.
Yes.
You didn't mention the time of your entry, the time of your arrival.
Yes.
Otherwise, you can't understand the format.
When I entered at my home.
Why entered at?
When I entered my home. When I entered my home. When I entered my home at 6 p.m.
Sure.
Yes.
When you entered your home at 6 p.m.
6 p.m.
What? 6 p.m. No? So at that particular time you saw your cousin sitting over there in the TV lounge. What was he doing?
He was talking together. They was talking together.
If you say he and now you're saying they were talking together, it doesn't make any sense. He was talking to.
Yes, sir.
He was talking to whom?
He was talking to.
He was talking to.
He was talking to. He was talking to country about.
कसम यार सही से दसो, कसम से मेरा खून जल रहा है, मुझे बहुत तकलीफ होती है। पता नहीं कि आप अपने आप को इतना पता नहीं, जिस रबुजाल से कहा जाओ, कहोगे ना, कहो मानो कि मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के रसूल हैं, वो नहीं, उसके लिए ऐसी सूरत हाल होती है। यार इससे बाहर आओ, ये क्या है? इतनी सादा सी बात है। मैं घर गया, मैंने कजन को देखा, वो क्या कर रहा था? आपको बताओ वो क्या कर रहा था? आपने अगर सच्ची मैं कहता हूँ यहाँ पे झूठ ना बोला करो ना. वाट एवर इज योर ऑब्जर्वेशन शेयर. ये कहते हो ना, पहले दिन से कह रहे हो. हाउ सिंपल दैट इज.
Yes.
मैं घर गया, मैंने देखा टीवी लॉन पे, कजन बैठे टीवी देख रहा था. और कजन को देखा वो खेल रहा था,
Yes, right.
वो बर्तन तोड़ रहा था जी, वो अपने खिलौने तोड़ रहा था जी. अच्छा वो फैमिली के साथ एंजॉय कर रहा था, अम्मी को तंग कर. ऑल दीज थिंग्स कैन हैपन.
Yes, sir.
सच्ची सच्ची बात है. पता है क्या होता है?
Yes.
किताबों से बाहर हो. यही तो जुल्म है यहाँ इस मुल्क में.
Yes.
We cram each and everything. We do not understand. No. Please be practical. No. So your cousin, he was there in the TV lawn. तो TV lawn में क्या करना है? सीधी सी बात. He was watching TV.
Yes.
He was watching cartoons.
Yes.
He was enjoying his favorite movie. He was now that playing with. He was playing with the remote.
Yes.
He was changing the channels.
Yes, right.
कौन दसो? What was he doing? Your cousin, जिसका आपने जिक्र किया.
He was doing. He was watching TV.
Your cousin was watching TV.
Yes, sir.
And it was 6 p.m.
Yes.
Clear?
Clear.
See, now, for how long?
He had been watching TV for 30 minutes.
For 30 minutes.
Yes, right.
You saw him at 6 p.m.
Yes.
And he had been watching TV for 30 minutes. My next question, since when?
He had been watching TV since 5:30 p.m.
Thank you very much. So impressive, really. If you are determined, you are devoted, you don't lose your concentration, you can create so many things now.
Yes.
The problem with you, the people, is that still you are not, see, you don't realize the power which Allah Almighty has given you,
Yes, sir.
Please realize it,
Yes, sir.
And these things are done even at KG level, But unfortunately we are doing, at your PG level,
Yes.
How unlucky we the people are now. Please share these things with your young brothers, young sisters, with your nephews, with your, that
Yes.
whosoever you meet,
Yes, right.
See, whoever you meet. So this is your lesson today. This one, no, again, this is something. Again, yesterday we made mistake. This is. And other one, this is
Fine.
this one too. So we did 2 lessons today,
Yes.
2 formats,
Yes, right.
5 and 8.
Yes.
In short, you can call them both 58.
58.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
So see, yesterday I went to the office. At 10 p.m. Sorry, at 10 a.m.
Yes.
At 10,
Yeah.
I saw my dearest student, Mr. Atisham Masruf. He is very punctual. His office time is 8. My question to you, how much time had he spent in the office?
He had
How much time had he spent in his office? Very simple. I entered the office at 10 a.m.
2 4.
The office timing is 8.
Yes.
8 a.m.
Yes.
I'm talking about my dearest student, Mr. Atisham.
Yes.
And one of his qualities, one of his attributes, Claes,
Yes.
is that he is very punctual.
Yes.
So the office timing is 8.
Yes.
I entered the office at 10. My question to you, how much time had he spent in the office?
2
He
hours.
had
2 hours. No, my question is very simple. 2 hours.
Yes, sir.
He had spent 2 hours in the office.
Yes.
My question that, I'm just giving you can say some idea. He was operating the laptop. He was operating
The laptop.
the activity is clear. Whatever the activity he was carrying out. It's
Yes.
clear to you.
Yes, sir.
What was he doing?
He is carrying the laptop.
What was he doing? He was operating
The laptop.
He was operating his laptop. My question to you, for how long? Complete sentence.
He had been operating
Okay.
the laptop for
2 hours.
2 hours.
He had been operating the laptop for 2 hours. Since when?
He had been operating the laptop since 8
AM.
Yeah.
he had been operating the laptop since 8 a.m.
8 a.m.
He had been operating the laptop for 2 hours. Why are we saying that since 8 a.m.? Because the office time is 8 and he is punctual. He doesn't get late. Why you are saying 2 hours? Because the office time is 8 and when I saw him it was 10. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This shows that he had been operating the laptop for 2 hours.
Yes.
You can say the things can change. He might have gone out. He
Yes.
might have so many things can
Yes, sir.
happen. But we are talking in a very simple voice
Yes.
now. Do you have any question? So I request you the people practice it.
Yes.
We will discuss it again tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
And like that you have to create, for example today, as you go back and you will see someone, clear? Ask that person
Yes.
about the activity he was doing, that what time did that person start it,
Yes.
so that you can practice it tomorrow. Clear? I saw my sister in the kitchen. She was cooking food over there.
Yes.
And she had been cooking food for. Now you can say, if you ask her,
Yes.
for example, it's now that 11:43.
Yes.
And if you reach your home at 12, and you see your sister cooking food at 12 p.m.
Yes.
and you ask her about the time,
Yes.
the time when she started cooking.
Yes.
If she says that she started cooking, that 11:15,
11:15.
so it's a very easy for you, that she had spent that 45 minutes and she since that 11:15, etc. But for tomorrow, not for today.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you very much. See you tomorrow. inshallah.
Yes.